Now, in a place value or a positional value system, the value of a symbol depends on its position in the representation of the number. So for instance, in the representation of this number, the symbol that we recognize as 2, that numeral 2, actually represents 2 tens, while in this number, this symbol, the numeral 2, actually represents 2 1s. So here, this 2 is actually 2 tens or 20. That's why we read that number 523. So 20. And in this symbol, in this number here, the symbol 2, the numeral 2 represents 2 1s, which is just 2. So that's how a positional value system works. The value of each numeral actually depends on where it is in the representation of the number. And those are called the place values. The positions in the representation of the number are called the place values. Now, the requirements for a true place value system are, first, you have to have a base. Our system, which is called the Hindu-Arabic system, has a base of 10. So the system that we are used to using is base 10, and it's called the Hindu-Arabic system. Not only do you have to have a base, so you require a base, but you also have to have a set of symbols including 0, and you also have to have a symbol for each counting number less than the base. So for our system, the Hindu-Arabic system, we have this symbol to represent 0, and then we have a symbol to represent every counting number less than the base. Well, let's see. The symbol we use to represent the counting number 1. 1 is less than 10, so we use this symbol to represent the number 1. We use this symbol to represent the number 2. This is the numeral to represent the number 3. This is the numeral to represent the number 4. The numeral to represent the number 5, the numeral to represent the number 6, the numeral to represent the number 7, the numeral to represent the number 8, and the numeral to represent the number 9. So here, for our Hindu-Arabic system, you see that we have all the requirements met. The requirements are, first, there has to be a base. The Hindu-Arabic system has base 10. The second requirement is there has to be a symbol to represent 0, and also a symbol to represent each of the counting numbers less than the base. And here I have a symbol to represent 0, and also a symbol to represent each of the counting numbers less than 10. So this is our Hindu-Arabic system.